You can regress any program by just lifting less weight, taking longer rest periods, taking less reps.
Yeah. The attitude is so important. If you think that you can't do something, you've already defeated yourself.
Instagram from J-Ro Sanders. She asks, I am over 300 pounds. I have no health issues, no diabetes. I am lucky. I am just now starting to have joint discomfort and am getting desperate. Been a 20-year plus war. Very tempted to join your site and all, but worried I am too heavy for the exercises you might recommend. I swim, elliptical, and weights. I have PCOS, so weight loss is extremely difficult and my story is a long one. But when you are a certain size, a lot is intimidating. I guess my question is, am I beyond you being able to help? I admire y'all so much and love following y'all on social media. Great chemistry and delivery. Keep up the great work.
Oh, what a sweet message. Love it. So the main question is, are you beyond us helping you?
Yeah. Or? Is our teachings too advanced for someone beginning?
Some of it, yes. But some of it, no. I hate to say this because it sounds like you have a really good attitude about things, but a lot of times all too easy to go into the attitude of like, it's not going to work for me, or I'm different, or I'm unique in some way, when the reality is there's lots of people who have started our programs at 300 or more pounds. Didn't we have someone who was like 480?
I'm surprised you said that.
What?
It might be too difficult.
What? Some things, some of the things.
Because
I'm not going to recommend that she does burpees, although we do recommend burpees, but not for her.
Yeah, but the thing is, you mentioned you were thinking about joining our site.
Yeah.
It's a community-based site, so if you have questions, or if you need modifications to exercises, or if you need whatever you need, we are there for you. That's one of the big benefits to having this site is you have our ear because you are a valued member of our TeamLiveLean.com community. There was a Facebook page that you guys can go in, you can talk to people. We answer your questions, so we will customize stuff to help you out. That's one of the reasons for this site.
Well, and the other thing is we have how many workout programs on there? I mean, there's tons. So a lot of them are going to be fine for you. Some of them are really advanced, but there's also modifications with every single one for the ultimate beginner.
They're not necessarily advanced.
They can be advanced.
You can regress any program by just lifting less weight, taking longer rest periods, taking less reps. Yeah. And I know you're saying you're still a beginner and you may not know these things, but the programs that we develop, they can be progressed, they can be regressed to make them easier. You just have to ask the questions of how to do that. And we are here to help you answer those questions. And you say that you already swim, which is awesome. You do elliptical, which is awesome. And you do weights. So you already are familiar with weights.
Right.
We're not putting in these crazy exercises that you have never seen in our Team Live Lean programs. It's the standard basic exercises, squats, deadlifts, presses, the exercises that everybody should do. You may get scared about to do a deadlift, but a deadlift is like bending over, picking up your grocery bags and putting the grocery bags on the shelf. It's functional movements. You just have to think of it that way as opposed to looking at maybe videos that we do where we're lifting heavy weights. That's not what we expect from you. Just lower the weights, lower the reps. You just kind of have to use common sense when it comes to doing somebody else's program. So bottom line is, yes, you can do our programs. If you have questions, feel free to ask us. We will do whatever we can to make them work for you. Like, we're not targeting these things to a specific people. We're trying to train the world. So regardless of what your background, we want to help you. Yeah,
and definitely our programs are not just for fit athletic people only.
No,
like our programs are for everyone.
What I want you to do right now is go over to our website, LiveLeanTV.com/testimonials. Go over there and look at all the people that have done our programs, have followed our advice, have watched us on LiveLeanTV, who has transformed their lives. There's people there that have been over 300 pounds, and go look at their after picture from just following our recommendations. Like, it'll inspire you.
And it doesn't mean they were doing like the hardest workouts on day one. It takes some building up, you know, it takes some patience, but the attitude is so important. That's what I want to get across the point of, like, for all of you guys listening, if you think that you can't do something, you've already defeated yourself. So I understand like intimidation might be a factor in the beginning, but that's great that you answered this question, because we can tell you, even if you feel intimidated, that's okay. Like, a lot of people feel intimidated in the beginning, but don't think that it's not for you.
Yeah, I guarantee there's a whole bunch of other people in Team Live Lean that are intimidated as well.
Yeah.
So put a post up in the Facebook group,
members
group,
yeah.
and somebody else will say, I feel you, I've been there, here's what I did to get over it. So, you know, there's a community there that wants to help you just like we do. To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day: in fitness, do you consider yourself a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Share your experiences in the comment section below. So now I want you to go watch the video right over here on why you're not losing fat as a beginner.